arithmetic progressions. Then arithmetic progressions. Arithmetic progressions. Then first of all, we how to learn that what are arithmetic progressions. Then just take a look of these types of sequences, number sequences. Then 5, 8, 11, 14, and so on. You know, you could write then 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. How about this one? 100, 98, 96, and so on. So just think of these number sequences. Okay. So can you see here? Then 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. So when you get the difference of these terms, when you get the difference of 8 and 5, 8 and 5, which is 3, then 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then 11 minus 8 is 3. Then 14 minus 11 is 3. Then 8 minus 5, just think of this one. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 5, 3. Think of these two. Then 11 minus 8 is 3. Then 14 minus 11. What is 14 minus 11? Same thing, which is 3. So this is mentioned as, this is identified as common difference. The common difference. Common difference generally we are taking, you could subtracting the second term from the second term minus first term, right? It's able to subtract first term from the second term. This is known as, this is named as first term, this one is the second term. If you are considering that this one is the first term, then this should be the second term. If you are considering these two terms, and if this is the first term, then this should be the second term. But anyway, when it comes to a number sequence, if you are able to see the common difference is equal of that considered number sequence, then that type of number patterns we really we name as in maths as arithmetic progressions. So here also, when it comes to this one as well, then this one you could see the common difference here. Then 15 minus 10, 15 minus 10 is 5. Then these two, considering these two, then 20 minus 15 is 5. Then here, then 25 minus 20 also 5. So common difference equals, common difference equals. So common difference equals number sequence. Common difference equals number sequence is an arithmetic progression. So the other point is, then common difference generally be here 4, 7, 10 and so on. Then you could see this one. Then here the common difference is 7 minus 4 is 3. Here the common difference is then 10 minus 7 is 3. So common difference equals number sequence is an arithmetic progression. Then how about this one? 10, 8, 6 and so on. Can we get the common difference here? Is this an arithmetic progression? Then yeah, let's see. Then 8 minus 10 is minus 2. So 6 minus 8 also minus 2. Here also the common difference equals. Therefore, if the common difference equals between these terms, therefore this one also can be considered as, can be identified as an arithmetic progression. So what is an arithmetic progression? If the common difference is equal between the terms then of a sequence, of a number sequence, that's an arithmetic progression. So the other points that you need to know, then think of this one, 5, 8, 11 and so on. This is the first term. First term we name using simple A. Then here A equals 5. The common difference, previously I taught you that common difference can be mentioned using the letter simple D. Then the common difference is 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. So yeah, then you are able to identify when it comes to a certain number pattern that of an arithmetic progression, that it's able to name using simple N the first term. It uses the letter D to be express the common difference. So this one, then 8, 11, 14 and so on. You have to find the T4. Find T4. T4 means fourth term. You need to find the fourth term. How can you find the fourth term really? To be taken the fourth term here, then really we are able to get the fourth term here. 8, 11, 14, the other one 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, 17. This is the fourth term. Just bear in mind it, right? Fourth term. Fourth term is 17. Just bear in mind it. So fourth term can be taken using the formula. Really, what's that formula? I will write that formula. Then Tn equals to, we know the fourth term, that's 17. Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 times v. Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 times v. Really, what is Tn? Tn means that here you consider as common term, then which is Tn. So we know that we need to find the fourth term. Therefore, n equals to 4. If you are given to find the fifth term, then n should be n equals to 5. If you are going to get the 12th term, then n equals 12. Likewise. So here, then n equals 4. Previously I taught you that then the first term is a equals 8 here. Now the value of d can be taken here, that the value of d is common difference. I taught you that 11 minus 8 is 3, d equals 3, n equals 4. Now what we are doing here, we are going to substitute these values here in this formula. So a equals to 8 here. Then n, the value of n means the fourth term. Then 4 minus 1. Every time we need to subtract 1. So into here, really multiplication. D equals to 3. So T4 equals to then 8 plus, then 4 minus 1 is 3, then 3 times 3. You need to simplify this expression according to the BODMAS system. You are unable to add this to that 8 plus 3 is 11. That's wrong if you are doing so. So you need to multiply then according to the BODMAS system. Then 8 plus, then 3 times 3 is 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. Wait. So n equals 4, then 4 minus 1 is 3. Then we need to get the fourth term. Yeah, here wrong, really. Then what has happened really? Then 3 times 3 not 6. 3 times 3 is 9. I was checking here. Then here 8, then 3 times 3 is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. So the fourth term is we knew about it. Then 14 plus 3 is 17. So the fourth term is 17, which means fourth term is 17. T4 equals 17. So when you are given this type of question, then how do you do really? Then 10, 15, 20, and so on. You need to find T100. How can you get T100? T100 means 100 term. 100 term also can be taken. Then firstly you need to write here that a equals n. Afterwards d can be taken, that 15 minus 10. Then 15 minus 10 is 5. D equals to 5. Afterwards n equals to 100. Previously taken equation can be applied to be taken the 100 term here. So before that we have to write the equation here, that Tn equals a plus n minus 1 times d. Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. So what is n? N equals 100 here. So a equals 10 here. So n equals 100. 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1. What is d really? D is 5. So here 10 plus 100 minus 1 is 99. 99 times 5. So what we need to do, firstly we need to multiply. So 5 times 9 45, remainder is 4. 5 times 9 45 plus 4 49. 5 times 9 45, remainder is 4. 5 times 9 45 plus 4 49. So here 10 plus 495. 10 plus 495. Then this can be taken as then 495 plus 10. So 5, then 505 is the answer. So the 100 term is 505. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so next one is, this type of one. How can I do this type of one? There's 6, 12. Really, these are the multiples of 4, right? These are the multiples of 4. 6, 12, 18. It gives you that 30. Really, really which term is 30? That one right? Which term is 30? Then which term is 12? That's the second term. Which term is 18? Third term. This is the question. Which term is which term is 30? Really, which term is 30? If you want to get the third term, then which term is 30? That is the third term. That can be taken, it's able to divide 18 by 6, which is 3. Then anyway, then which term is 30? That is the fifth term. Let's get it. Using the previously learned equation. Really, we do not, when the question is asked that which term, then really you need to find the value of n here. When it comes to the previous questions, we didn't know the value of, we knew the value of n. Then here we do not know the value of n. How do we do this? Then a equals anyway 6, d equals to, common difference 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. We do not know the value of n here. N equals to 30. Now let's calculate the value of n here. Then Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 times b. So we are able to substitute this one here, that Tn equals 30. 30 plus a equals 6. So n minus 1 times b. Really, what's the value of d here? D equals 6. So 30 equals, then this is an equation. You need to remove these brackets. Then here plus, then plus into plus plus, 6 into x, 6x. Then here minus, here plus, minus into plus, minus here. Minus into plus, minus here. Minus into plus, minus here. How do we simplify this one? This plus and this minus, plus 6 and minus 6 can be cancelled out. So 30 equals to 6n. I'll write it here. Then 30 equals to 6n. So both sides can be divided by 6. Therefore, n equals 5. Which means 30 is the fifth term. This is the answer. Okay. This is the first part of this arithmetic progression.